City mouse and country mouse. City mouse live in the city. There are too many people and cars there. I want some fresh air. I can visit my cousin, Country Mouse, he says. City Mouse flies to the country. Country Mouse runs to him. Hello, City Mouse. Welcome to my home. Thanks, Country Mouse, says City Mouse. I'm hungry. What for dinner? They go to the cornfield and eat some corn. Then they go to the orchard and eat some apple. This food is okay, but it's too plain for me, says City Mouse. It's bedtime and they're tired. They sleep in an old barn. The next morning, they walk to the pound. The country is okay, but it's too boring for me, says City Mouse. Come with me to the city. It's interesting there. Okay, says Country Mouse. City Mouse and Country Mouse take a train to the city. They go to a movie theater, a department store, and a restaurant. They eat cheese and cookies. This food is okay, but it's too fancy for me, says Country Mouse. It's bedtime and they're tired. They sleep in a new hotel. The next morning, they hear a loud, noisy cat run, says City Mouse. City Mouse and Country Mouse run and run until they are safe. The city is okay, but it's too dangerous for me, says Country Mouse. Come with me to the country. It's safe there. No, the country is good for you, and the city is good for me, says City Mouse. The two mice say goodbye and go home happy.